Hey guys, it's Sandeep here. So today we are going to do walkthrough solves with some famous YouTubers.
Alright, so for this scramble, what I'll do firstly is I'll align this cross by doing a D prime from here. Then I'll put this edge on its place. Then I'll disalign the cross and put this green edge right here, and then I'll align the cross once again. Then I'll go into this pair like this. Then I'll insert it at the back. Then I'll solve this pair like this. Then I'll rotate and insert it. Then I'll go into this pair like this. Then I'll insert it. Then I'll solve these two like this. Then I'll do this OLL and JA perm. So yeah, that was it.
In this scramble, we have the white cross edges here, here, here and here. So for this cross, I will hold like this and insert this cross edge. Then align the cross with a D prime and insert the last cross edge. Then I saw these two F12 pairs, solve them into the back like this. Then I saw this 3 mover. Then I'll take this corner out and solve this pair into the back. Then this F12 pair, then the OLL and the PLL.
So for cross here in white cross, I'll face red on front and yellow on top and do D2 wide R U prime wide R prime DL. And then the first pair will be these two, which I'll do with R prime FU F prime R. And then these two I'll do with R prime U R prime U to R. And then I'll take these out with RU prime R prime and I'll rotate and solve it like this. Then I'll solve these both with R prime F prime wide R U prime wide R prime F2 U prime R. And then my OLL and PLL A perm.
Hello guys, it's Udupa here, and today I will be doing a walkthrough solve for Ranadi plus curve. The cross edges are here and here. First I will do D prime and insert this and bring this up into D prime F prime and align the cross. This is my first F12 pair. I'll split it up and insert to the back. This is the second F12 pair. Rotate and insert to the back. This gets paired up, and this is the last F12 pair. OLL A perm. Thank you.
Okay, now it's my turn. So for this scramble, I see a pretty good white cross. So I'll just align red and orange, insert blue and insert green. Now I see this pair, so I'll just pair it up like this and insert. Now with this AUF I see this pair, so I'll take this out, split, rotate and insert. Now I can do a good pseudo F12, so I'll insert this corner and then insert this pair like this. So we have all F12 solved. Now soon and E perm.